It took me 2 years to learn all of this, but let me try to teach you in under 2 minutes. Let's go. If you're in cybersecurity, running NMAP and all of that is one thing, but properly documenting what's happening is what really is taking my game to a whole nother level. This is definitely the not so glamorous part of cybersecurity that everybody is not talking about, but let me show you a little bit more why it's really making a difference. All right, so here's what you're going to do for step one. Just run some basic NMAP scan just to get some basic info, just to get your feet wet and get you used to it. Then what you want to do is document the whole process. And by that, I mean creating a template, something that has the target that you're scanning's IP address, the name of the target, the OS, what were the results, just key points of information or key takeaways that you can reference later. Okay, so for the next step, you've already gathered all of this information by running that NMAP scan, and now you've also have it documented. But what are you going to do with all of this information? Well, you can take those documented results over to a website like exploit-db, and here it has a list of all these different CVEs that you can research or explore for later on when you're trying to learn how to exploit these vulnerabilities that you may have come across. And finally, what you can do once you have all of this information organized and everything to really polish it up, you can put next steps at the end of your whole process or your documentation that you did of things that you're going to do to try to work towards exploiting more of the vulnerabilities that you found in whatever lab you were doing, or just as research purposes for later on. Documenting every step as you learn, it's not only going to make you that much faster, but it's going to make you way more efficient with whatever skill that you're trying to learn. You already know. Holla at me on that next video.